Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
All right, friends, we're back for round two. I did. Okay, it's too late. Go, let's go. Damn. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get things started with the Oribium Martinez. Is that what it's called? Yes, the Oribium Martinez. Now, don't ask me what. Maybe somebody named Martinez created the drink.
Oribium.
Huh? Or Oribium? Really? Really?
I don't know.
Let's go. All right. So anyway, okay. So basically. Let's run through the ingredients, and then we have never actually tried Hendricks Oribium before, so we're going to try that a little bit before, and then we're going to get started, okay? So obviously, the star of the show is the Hendricks Oribium, okay? We also have Sweet Vermouth. We have some Maraschino Liqueur.
Okay.
We have orange and aromatic bitters, and this does call for a orange twist, but guess what we don't have?
Working with what you got.
So we do have cucumber tongues,
which goes with gin.
If my daughter didn't eat them all, Lord, she went to town on them things.
She said she wanted to be a unicorn when she grows up.
Well, grass fed, right? Anyway, so listen, at least she eats some vegetables. I really shouldn't be upset at that because there's a lot of kids that be like a vegetable, be like yuck, you know. So I'll go with it. You know,
a win is a win.
Yeah, sometimes she eat raw onion too, and I'd be looking at her a little weird, but you know,
them boys.
I just like, because I don't breathe on me.
Ooh.
Okay. So this is the Oribium. Here we go. Hold on. Oh. Okay.
That's got a little...
It's a little hot.
Yeah.
Are you hot?
Yeah, I'm not going to do it. I caught myself. But anyways, it's hot.
She was about to tee herself up for another boiled glizzy moment.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so I'm trying to read on this, and it says Oribium is a reimagining of Hendricks by our master distiller Leslie Gracie, which we learned about her. Instilled with natural flavors including lotus blossom flavor, and the additions of quinine and wormwood. The result is oddly exquisite and whoop-de-whoop, okay? Yeah.
And this is another seasonal, right?
It's another seasonal one. So as far as I know, just the blank label Hendricks, like, that's their standard. That's the go-to. The ones that got the colorful labels, those are the seasonal ones.
Those are fancy ones.
Exactly. So let's go ahead and get started.
Yes.
Pull up this recipe.
Okay, Bernie.
Aw, R.I.P. Okay, 1.5 parts or 1.5 ounces of our Oribium. So I'm gonna just use the shot glass. It's here, you know.
Use what you got, literally.
Exactly. There's a reason that Brittany always ends up with more. I think she just be like, the ancestors really be telling her.
Nah, which one we doing?
Either.
Sweet.
God, okay, so real quick, I thought I got the normal bottle of the Sweet Vermouth.
She got the granddaddy.
And I got the granddaddy bottle from Total Wine. It was mad cheap, which is deceiving. It was like $12, so.
Why not?
Okay, one part of this. Ciao.
Yucky. Oh, they had us try Sweet Vermouth by itself. Or was it Sweet Vermouth? No, it was aromatic.
It was bitters, and that was bitter. No pun intended. It was not good. There are certain things that I understand why they have you taste it by itself, so you understand its impact on a drink. But
Like
miss me with that. Miss me with that. It was nasty. All right, let's do the Maraschino Liqueur. Okay. So 1/4 part, or listen, eyeball it and a little bit. Okay,
yeah, there you go.
Liquor math. Remember when we first did our first drink with the Maraschino Liqueur, and we never thought we would use this stuff. But I found that I've used it in a few things, and it has not been bad.
Nope, sure haven't. Sometimes I can just add it to like an old fashioned or something. Just do what it do.
Yep. So we're gonna do 1 dash of orange and 1 dash of aromatic bitters, or in this case,
Whatever.
droplet.
Yeah.
There you go.
Whatever happens.
And this is gonna be a stirred, not shaken.
Stirred, not
Yes.
shaken.
Stir that until it's nice and chilled.
Smells good.
It smells really good. I'm gonna double strain mine, so if you want to hold on, you can also use this. Very pretty color to it.
Yeah, look, gives you a Manhattan.
It does give me Manhattan vibes, and you know I love a Manhattan.
Okay, maybe my shake is really off. I still got some extras in it.
Oh, I think she really be pouring until her heart's desire.
It's the shaker. Next time I read my shaker's manuals.
Yep, I have a mini-me back there, and sometimes you gotta do sign language, okay? And that was the sign language for go wash your hands. Meow. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh God, gotta love parenting. Okay, well, ready?
Oh.
Oh,
my.
yes, Lord in heaven.
I was not. You don't taste no gin.
Wow.
This will get you fucked.
This would, you would literally be like, I don't taste anything, and be sleep the next moment.
Wow.
Oh my. Oh my.
You know how I said I'm done because I'm finished? No, I'm done. Because y'all not going to get me. It's only the second episode. I'm not.
This gonna sneak you like how Vanderbilt snuck Alabama last night. Woo, okay. I'm on. Okay, oh, it's my turn. I forgot.
Yeah, you first.
Okay, all right.
Oh.
So,
I just want
obviously,
one more. Just one more.
I love this. Love this. All of the elements, all of the ingredients work together to really put something wonderful together. Very refreshing and very whoop your ass up-ish, okay?
Oh my.
But in a good way, okay? You have to respect the level of strength of the drink, okay?
This is really good.
It's so good. I'm sorry, this is a 10 for me. And it's just a very well-balanced drink. I do not taste gin. So all those gin haters, I know a few, you're literally not going to taste the gin.
So all you ones are like, I want a fruity drink. I want a sweet drink. I don't want to taste my liquor.
Or like seriously, and there are some people that have been scarred by gin in college. Usually college is when it happens, okay?
Yeah.
This is not that, okay?
This is actually good.
This is delicious.
Highly recommend.
And Hendricks, like, I mean, that last round was really good too, but Hendricks, y'all, whoever is coming up with your recipes,
Bravo.
good job. Good job. This is bomb. I would highly recommend this. Like, I'm gonna need you to pour me some of the that so I can,
Girl.
okay, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, I'm done. Cause
So you gave it a 10?
I gave it a 10. What are you giving it?
I'm giving it a 10, 5 stars, recommend. If it was an Airbnb in my mouth,
What?
it can come anytime.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
It can't, wait.
Listen, I'm just saying, it's good. It's good.
Halt, stop sign. So do you enjoy just running headlong into these like situations? If I was in Airbnb, I would say what you said.
It sounded good when I first thought about it. I'm just saying.
It can. Cameraman, it's not a plug-in. believe she said something about
I said
it can come anytime.
I'm gonna stand on what I said, okay?
Oh, you standing 10 toes down on it.
Listen, because this is good. Hendricks, you are good. You did the damn thing with the recipe, okay?
I agree.
5 stars. Okay? You're welcome back, okay? I'm definitely making another one of these. Not right now, because we got this only episode 2 of the holiday season, and y'all are not gonna get me. Y'all are not gonna get me. I refuse. In the name of the Lord.
Oh, so you gonna mix the Lord? You gonna bring the Lord into this after you talk about after
last holiday season? Listen, I needed Jesus, okay? I needed Jesus really, really badly. So again,
Lord.
Hendricks, you can come anytime. Okay, sugar daddies
for the holidays, huh?
Ho,
is
ho.
It just for?
I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet.
Are you sure? Because, oh wow. No. She been listening to Sexy Red too much.
Let me keep it classy because Hendricks is classy. Hendricks anytime. But no, overall 10, 5 stars. Will recommend, highly rated. Seasonal, grab it while you can. Lady.
Grab, come, like what else? What else we got?
I think I'm done.
Oh, okay.
Wait. What is happening? Ooh, child. No, I'm done. I'm done.
Ski.
Send help. Anyways, we got way more to go for the holidays. Mama, I'm sorry.
I sincerely want to let y'all know we are not even tipsy yet, and that is what is really sad about this whole thing right now.
It speaks volumes about us right now.
Oh, that's so sad. That is a tragedy. Oh man. Listen, y'all, you go ahead and try this.
Hendricks, guess what? Ooh, everything. Babe, I love you. All right, sorry, all right, but let's go.
You done? Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
Listen. I had to show my appreciation.
And I think they feel appreciated. Okay.
Good.
Listen, all the usual stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. You should absolutely try this. This absolutely needs to be top of your list for cocktails to try. It is top tier. It is evenly balanced.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't like gin, you have no excuse. You won't taste the gin. Get into it.
Get into it.
Point blank period. Okay.
Period. Poo.
Period. Poo. Okay. So before Brittany says anything else inappropriate, we're gonna go ahead and log off for this particular episode. But we're gonna come back for more Hendricks fun. Okay. Who knows? The third time it could get even worse. It could get even more wild.
Nope.
That's what she said. But you ain't even, like, I get that you're using your mason jar, but you don't even need it. Like, you're not even drunk, and that's what came out your mouth.
I'll see y'all next episode.
I'm gonna talk to your mama.
Bye, y'all.